so sad.
Brazil for life.
I really feel badly for you.
I'm sure you do. Kevin, me hope you have more people actually are cutting a car. Me now come back to your place.
This is the moment that the world has been waiting for. This is the ultimate World Cup pre-show. It's a perfect lead up to Sunday's finals, which he should be able to do with a cap. Kevin Everett is in the building. He's a barber at Sheer Cut Barbers, 167 Constant Spring Road. Ballard asked me to put that in for you. And you know, every action has a consequence. If you say something, you have to stand by your word. He lost the last World Cup, said I was going to get his car. He took it back when he lost. This time he made a bet and he said he's going to honor it. So Kevin is here just to guide me through. Kevin is Nev's regular barber, so he can help me to navigate the terrain because it's rough in these streets. And I promise I won't make you look too badly. Okay? So Kevin.
Yes, ma'am.
Talk me through. Let me have the tool.
Yeah, go.
S1 share.
Wow.
Can you just turn your head, you know, you're not supposed to look at the barber.
Kevin, I hope you have other people come at your barber shop. I'm not coming back up.
No place I'd rather be. Alright. So we're gonna boil it, right?
Yeah, so basically just go against the
hair.
Yeah.
Alright. So what are those things over there? You don't need me to use any.
No, not
I
yet.
shouldn't spray that like in his head or anything.
No, we'll do the spraying part already.
Alright. Up so. Ready? Nev, you ready? Alright. Hold your head steady. When I am with you, there's this is the best day of my life. Alright, so the cup is gone. No. What to do this side now? Up?
Oh, no, leave it so.
Da, da, da.
Why never your head look bigger?
It grow back, it's just here, guys. Mind them ears? You think anything can mash up that ears there? No place I'd rather be. I didn't even have to watch YouTube. This is so easy. I do this for a living. I'm gonna make it, all of it look like a bald spot now, so that you are actually doing you a favor, because you're walking around with this bald spot in the middle of your head.
Brush, use the brush.
Oh, let me the brush here, sir. Because there is the right way.
Hey.
Thank you. What do you want to bet next World Cup there?
So we can't
Bet
see.
the mouse next.
He's not talking. That's all. Can't bet to me, you know, that's honoring your bet. You're a good sport.
Same.
You are a good. Wait a minute, let me see my work first.
Yeah, but before and after. Mona Lisa.
Oh, God.
Mona Lisa.
Do you think now, sir?